Yahoo, Prof here. Oh, I'm blinding you guys. There we go. What we've got going on is just giving you guys an update on Anthrax X or 10. There you go. Yes, it's like Anthrax double X. I'm memeing because of the old school names there. So if you notice something's missing here, it's over here, motherboard. I've got the temporary stock AMD CPU cooler off here. If you guys have a Wraith Spire with the copper core in it, please hit me up. I'm actually looking for one of each. I'm looking for, because the one without the copper core is a better fan, and one with the copper core has the copper core. So I want one of each of those, combine them into the ultimate stock AMD cooler. Yes, I know it's still going to fail under AVX loads within 5950. Figured that out the hard way. By the way, guys, that's where if you do want to go a smaller cooler, like a single 120 does a much better job on that. It's just amount of heat that it can dissipate is so much different there, I guess. I just want something quick I can bolt on, but that's now off. Why? Because this is going on. Yep, we got 3080 Ti FTW3, the one that I got on launch. This is getting a water block as well, an Optimus. Hopefully you'll see them in the producer. And I did manage to get, check this out, 3050 black. So this is the base model. You see there's no marking there. It's because it's just the black edition, right? $249.99. Retail price, MSRP, as of like about a month or so ago. So this is running my main gaming monitors, the 4K, was it 144 hertz HDR, the Asus ones that check all the boxes. And this guy's going to run my additional monitors, which are currently the LG Dual Up, which you should watch. Keep an eye out for a video for. Those things are amazing. Finally, some Square monitors in the market. They do HDR as well, though. So also with these two, I should be able to run, because they're both 30 series, will be on the same driver and everything. I can run studio drivers. Yes, I know that'll hamper my gaming performance on new games, but I do more other things. So definitely want to run the studio drivers. Also, that means I only update those when I update those, rather than with Game Ready, really just use GeForce Experience and let it do the rest. But what this video is going to be about is getting this bad boy on there. Yeah, that doesn't have heatsink on it right now. I had the board apart just for testing. Let's take a peek. This was wrapped up a little bit better, but I had to pull it out a couple times just because it looked freaking beautiful. Look at that thing. I get bare copper, guys. The number of times nickel plating has fallen off for me is too great to count. So bare copper, and then I got plexi because my GPU block, I didn't have too much of a choice there at the time, and I went with plexi. So, and that's a black aluminum mount there. So I think that thing just looks beautiful. Oh, and that can come off. Oh, I think we're gonna have to clean that up. Oh, it's just heat from my hands. Okay. Hold on. There you go, check that out. I'll give that a little bit of a scrub with one of the Noctua cleaning wipes here. There. On both the CPU. I had to clean up a little bit. Got a little bit of paste that went over. And you might be wondering what we're doing for thermal paste here, and that is, I'm trying, normally I use Thermal Grizzly. I don't know, DeBauer's talked about like how you should replace it after a year. I want to run my system at least 18 months without major servicing, ideally. I know I'll have to do the water cooling, the liquid every 6 months, but how I have mine set up, that should literally be like open a drain plug, pump it out, like changing oil is trying to make it how I'm trying to make the water cooling in there. And I've heard good things about this Kingpin KPX. Now, why you're like, why do you have 5 bags of it? Well, because of COVID and our supply shortages, the only size I could get is the world's tiniest size. 1.5 gram. So that might be enough for the CPU there. And I know when I go to go the Behemoth GPU, and I wanted enough if I had to do it multiple times. I wanted enough to not have to care if I had enough, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, bought 5 packs. I might use 3 to 4, I would think. So I have some on hand. But I'll give you an update as this CPU block goes on. Look at that. They actually include some KPX. Awesome.